wadlala kabi umfukengi walithola elilodwa
and bese kuyi second offense leya
angithi yabona
bese kuyi second offense bamnyekile oqala lesibili yes be deserve
omunye umdlalo osesiswini hayi esiswini usibelebele udlale kabi lo mdlalo omusha osanda kuqala kulokhujana kwiChiefs lo mlungu waseThekwini uChislet
yeah
that's a career ending tackle kodwa ubengekho intended but unyawo la yabona unyawo lingene othangeni liyabhendeka iVAR bizochecka ipossible red card kuleya tackle because it's a career ending tackle leyana
yeah but it's the same tackle leyenze
uMiguel uyenzile leya tackle yeah uyenzile leya lokhujana bekumele athole yellow card yena mayidlala rafu apolice yabo kwislide tackle uthole ibhola kuphela umuntu azangamcatch if ucatch umuntu beyimfanele ired card yabo sibuye kuleli iphuzu leli le penalty nathi uNdamane wenza ipenalty elimaza ubani uMakhehle uTiti
ambulance sithembisa
this time uHoto azange alithinte at all ibhola the first thing eyenziwe ngiVAR mina enze ulokhujana umlenze kaHoto